Thini-ke ngo-Mrs. Khomo? Usaphila noma-ke useshonile? Because on Friday bathi Mr. Khomo will receive some disturbing news about his ex-wife. Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Skeem Saam from the 23rd to the 27th of June 2025 on Monday. Babeyile arrest a suspect in connection with a theft that occurred in 2020. Lehasa's excitement over his upcoming appeal is short-lived when he realizes prisons will have ears on Tuesday. Kwezikazi and Peterson decide to take their relationship to the next level. Mantuli and Guaido argue over the date of graduation's party on Wednesday. A woman is startled when a coma patient squeezes her hand. Pretty is devastated when she learns that Lehasa's appeal hearing has been postponed on Thursday. Babeyile receives a crucial lead on Khopane's whereabouts. Alfred and Matlatse teams up to build a ramp in preparation for Pex's visit on Friday. Mr. Khomo receives some disturbing news about his ex-wife. A crime boss makes his way to TEF to finalize a deal with his new business associate. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion.